What is up, guys? It is the Marvel Maker. Today I will be giving you another special thing I've been working on lately. I've been working on another Spider-Man web shooter, because in my last video you saw me make the Spider-Man Homecoming edition. This I'm going to try to make the original red, and just the original red version of it. So I actually made it. This will be my giveaway, and as you can see, I upgraded this into a better. See, I'm gonna show you guys. This string actually shoots longer and faster and way much longer than that one, because I extended it and there's like a bigger port where to put everything down there. See, there's more. There's more. This took me a whole 3 days just to do it. I'm gonna take this out, put it inside. You guys ready? Set. This one actually does stick on the walls. I added a little magnet to it so it could actually be better. The magnet's inside the paper, wrapped up, and it's like, look. See? Magnet right there. It's actually pretty fun. I'm gonna put a magnet inside of Captain America's shield, so whenever I shoot this out, well, that was not supposed to happen. Let me try again, but this time it will be better. Ready, set. You guys saw that? Actually, wow, I'm actually impressed in this also. This will be the giveaway. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah. Meet me, I'm Spider-Man, and let's get down to business for more exciting stuff. Goodbye.